Hi, this is Handy Doctor. Today I am going to talk about my Kitchenaid dishwasher again. It's one that's a few years old, and I guess some of the plastic parts start to go back, and that's why I have to replace a few parts recently. Now the problem again is obviously the dishes are not very clean, especially on the upper rack. Before you get started, you always want to make sure that on the rotating arm, the holes are clean, and also on the filter cup, etc. on the bottom. I have a video showing you how to do it, which is a pretty old one. I will put the link in the description. Now, other than that, recently I replaced this manifold that will transfer water to the upper rack, and it was broken. It made a lot of improvement, but still not as clean as it was new. So I looked into it and I found another problem. So what's the problem? Well, obviously, in order to clean the dishes on the upper rack, water need to go to the upper rack. And of course, this manifold is important, but that's not the only connection. As you can see here, now we look down here, water actually go from here to that hose and go up to the top. So obviously, if something is bad inside, then your dishes on the upper rack is not going to be clean. Now, it could be the circulation pump is broken, which is a lot more labor and money on the part. But before we go there, let's check something really simple. Typically, there will be a seal inside. Of course, I already done it, so I know the answer. But even before you get started, if you want to transfer any type of liquid, there should be a seal. And if the seal go bad, then that might be an issue. So in order to do that, you first need to take this rotating arm off, and it's very easy. Just grab it and turn the button counterclockwise, and it will come off. Okay, and now you see two holes. For the one on the right, at least for this model, and I'll give you the model number of my dishwasher in the description too, you just grab it and pull it up. Okay, if nothing hold on to it, you can take it all the way out if you want, but you don't have to. Okay, I'm telling you, it's a little bit awkward to take video in this way. And now for this one, you want to rotate, and again, I already replaced it. So, but well, I will show you my old one though. So this one you might have to grab it up a little bit because it's kind of a locking mechanism. But no matter what, just turn it counterclockwise. And it could be quite tight, by the way. Okay, it's coming off. This one though, the white plastic piece, you need to sit onto it. And now let's take it out. Like I said, I already have my seal replaced. Okay. But there's a secret that I'm going to tell you. So let's go to the bench top and we look. So this is the part that I just removed. I think this is called a water diverter cup, something like that. I will find out and also give you a link to Amazon if you want to buy one. Now you may say, hold on. Didn't you say just a seal? Yes, it is indeed. This is actually the seal I took out the other day, and you see totally torn apart, and it's so much bigger than the cup itself now. Okay. I'm sorry. Okay, it broke entirely. But anyway, you probably can see that it's wider. Okay, it doesn't fit anymore. Now, here is the bad news. You could not buy the seal itself. Supposedly this should cost something like $1 or $2, but they don't sell you that. If you want to buy genuine part from Whirlpool or Kitchenaid, you have to buy this whole thing. And it's something like $30, $40. It's not terrible, but I hate it. They always talk about they want to save the earth, but look at what they have done to us. Do you believe them? At least I don't. So, and also, I want to fix the problem quicker. I don't want to wait. So because of that, I decided to get some seal myself. I went to my local parts store. I measured, this is 3-inch. So I get some 3-inch water-safe seal. and a bag is 5 of them. This is 4 and there's another one out here, so a total of 5 of them for something like $7 and put it on. I guess I will take them out and show you how to put them on first. So this is one of them. Yeah, to put it on is easy. Right, just like that. Make sure you don't twist it. Now, I'm sure all of you will say, hey, how about the white one? Well, it turned out that with just one seal, it's not tight enough. However, though, if you try to put 2 onto it, if you really want to put 2 onto it, then you have too much seal that it will not lock onto it. You cannot make it to lock. Because of that, I decided to get another seal, which is from a watermark that I don't want anymore. I just take it out from there and put it over here. Of course, it's not this one, okay? I already throw away. I got one from there and just put that one on. So with both seals, it does the trick. Make sure again it doesn't twist. Okay, it does the trick. I have used it for a few days now. The dishes is sparkingly clean, just like I have a new dishwasher again. I might go buy this whole thing, but for now, I guess I'm going to keep using it because I just hate it. The fact that they don't want to sell you a part that is broken. You have to buy the whole thing. Why not buy a new dishwasher? Anyhow, so let's put it back and we'll call it a day. To put it back, first of all, you want to make sure the white plastic piece is sit in its location. Okay, so there's only one direction you can go, by the way, so it doesn't rotate over there. Secondly, you want to put the cup into it, and you see that notch out here. There's only one way you can put more or less. You want to put the hose kind of loosely stick onto it, and then when you rotate, then the whole thing will lock onto each other. Okay, so you want to make sure you squeeze it, and you see that? Okay, it might be tight. Okay, good. And over here it locked. So this part is locked. And now you want to put the other one on, which is very easy for sure. So here is my part, and the hole is right here. Okay, and you just snap onto it and snap onto that. So we're good on that one. And finally, the rotating arm. You need to stick onto it. It's difficult to do it with one hand, so okay, good. Now just lock it, and we're done. Okay, so hopefully I can fix your issue if you have the same problem that the upper racks are not very clean. Make sure you check the seal. Whether you want to buy the whole piece or you want to do it the same as me, just make your own seal. That's up to you. Anyhow, thank you very much for watching. Please make sure you like and subscribe if you haven't. Bye bye.